Hello, my dear friends. Shurma here. A very warm welcome to my channel, and I'm so glad you chose to stop by. Today's tutorial is about how to paint one stroke floral in blue. The materials required for today's project are all listed over here, so let's get started. I begin with a white watercolor paper which is 5 inches by 3 inches in size, and I have dropped liquid watercolors aqua blue and green on it. When they mix together, they form a beautiful organic background for today's floral painting, which will be done in one stroke style. So here is the palette for the floral. I have Prussian blue, I have aqua green, cerulean blue and white acrylic on my palette, and a flat brush number 6 which I have loaded with aqua green, cerulean blue and white. And this is multi-loading of the brush, and I blend the colors well. Now before I go on to create the floral, I have picked up my flat brush number 4 along with Prussian blue, and I am creating a very loose form of the floral image which I would like to create today, and that is going to be a blue rose. So here is the rose in the making. I have gone back to the flat brush number 6 and I have aqua green, cerulean blue and white on it. And this is one stroke style of painting. These are the first layer of the petals. This is the center. And as I move on to the outermost petals of the rose, I would be adding more of white to the mix to highlight those petals. There is a beautiful quote by Lady Bird Johnson, and it goes this way: "Where flowers bloom, so does hope." A blue flower, as far as I know, stands for desire, love, and inspiration, and it also represents the metaphysical striving for the impossible and infinite. That is the reason I chose the blue floral for today's project. It is a known fact that colors evoke different moods and feelings, and they do have psychological effects too. Blue is found in nature as pale blue of a daytime sky or rich dark blue of a deep pool of water. Blue calls to mind feelings of calmness or serenity. It is described as peaceful, tranquil, and orderly. Blue can also lower our pulse rate and body temperature as well. To sum it up, blue is truly inspiring. As John Ruskin said, "Blue color is everlastingly appointed by the deity to be a source of delight." A true blue coat. What do you say? So I hope you're enjoying watching me paint this pretty blue rose in one stroke style of painting. If you are new to this art form or you would like to refresh your one stroke skills, then I would suggest that you visit my past videos, and I would be adding some of the links in the description box below. As I'm creating the layers, the flower seems to bloom on this beautiful aqua and green background. I'm adding more of white acrylic to the combination of blue to create highlights on the petals. There you go. Do you see that? Do you like what you see? Let me know in the comment box below. I would be very happy to read your comments. If you have any queries regarding one stroke style of painting, then please put them down in the comment box below. I will try and answer all of them. Here I am just fine tuning the inner part of the rose. I am using a liner brush with acrylic white to just bring them to the foreground. Simply adding some more highlights. So it's time for the foliage. I have deep green, bamboo green and white acrylic on my palette, and I am loading my brush with deep green, bamboo green as well as white. This is multi-loading of the brush once more, and here I'm trying to blend the colors well. Before I go on to make the leaves, I have picked up my liner brush along with deep green, and I'm just coloring around the edges of the petals. Because I'm going to create the leaves in those nooks and crannies. Here I'm trying to create a couple of stems with bamboo green and a bit of deep green so that I know where the leaves are to be created. So now it's time for the beautiful one-stroke leaves. I have a flat brush number 6 and I have loaded it with green, bamboo and white. Aren't they pretty? I love these beautiful leaves and I never tire of them. If you would like to receive a hand-painted creation from me, then please subscribe to my channel and then put down your name in the comment box. I would be very happy to share my hand-painted note cards with you. So here I'm trying to paint more of those large one-stroke leaves. And here, if I want the leaves to be lighter, I will add more of white, and if I want them to be more darker, then I will go ahead and add more of deep green. But because this has a very pale background, darker leaves will look better. Here are some slider leaves. Once done, I go back to my liner brush and create some unruly vines here and there. Once I was happy with the painted panel, I matted it on an aqua green cardstock and then mounted it on a white note card. And that's a wrap on today's project. Hope you enjoyed watching me paint this beautiful blue floral in one stroke style. Please connect with me on my social media handles and it would be a great pleasure to be in touch with you. Do click on the suggested videos towards the end of this particular one and it'll lead you to more such interesting painting videos. We'll be back very soon. Till then, stay tuned and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.